This afternoon the High Court has issued a blistering new ruling on Enoch Burke. Justice Brian Cregan said it was clear that Burke had something to hide after he refused repeated court orders to provide full details of his incomes and expenditure. The judge was speaking as part of the latest case brought by Wilson's Hospital School, following complaints over Burke trespassing on school grounds. Burke is already serving time in prison for contempt after violating injunctions barring him from the school, but he argued he was being punished for his religious beliefs, citing his refusal to address a student by their preferred pronouns. The judge dismissed that claim, calling it a misuse of courts to wage a political campaign. The court said the real issue was not belief, but defiance of court orders, and emphasised that false claims spreading online suggesting Burke was jailed for his faith are nonsense. He faces fines of over €225,000, and by withholding his finance records, the judge said, it was obvious he didn't want authorities to know how or if he could pay. As the High Court's verdict makes clear, this isn't about belief, but about accountability. The court concluded Burke's refusal to comply speaks volumes, and he remains behind bars until he obeys its orders.